Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. I am going to attempt my first Dutch pour with the blow dryer and see how it comes out. So I've already laid my white paint down. I hope I don't have too much on there. It looks a little thick. I got all this back here just in case I blow it all over the place. So I'm going to be using, let me wipe my fingers off a little, Master's Touch colors, and they are mixed only with Liquitex pouring medium, distilled water, and Liquitex varnish. So that's a big gallon or half gallon or whatever it is that I got over a year ago when I was just starting out doing this. So I still had a lot of varnish left. So what I'm doing is I'm using the Master's Touch. I'm using Master's Touch, which is the light magenta right here. The Master's Touch Rouge, this color right here, and Master's Touch Violet, nice deep violet, which is right here, Master's Touch Purple, right here, and I'm going to be very careful. I am going to use a little bit of yellow from Master's Touch as well. Gotta be careful not to put too close to the purple or we might get some brown. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it yet. So I think I'm gonna start it over here because I'm gonna be blowing that way first and then this way. I should have covered this side up. So I think what I'll do, just to make sure we have a little protection over here, so I'm gonna lay that right there. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the deep violet. And I'm going to pour a little right here. I am using a 12 by 16 canvas. Then I'm going to pour some pretty pink. This is the light magenta. I'm going to pour it right in the middle and a little on each side here. Oops, a little bit more over here. And I think at this point I'm going to pour a little yellow right on top of the pink, on the side of the pink, right there and here. I hope I'm not getting too wide. And then I think we're going to go with the magenta right in the front, or maybe right on top of that, and in the front, right there, and then the purple, the lighter color purple, right here, and here, right across the back. I really want to put a little bit more yellow in there, but I'm so worried doing that. And I love the yellow. Maybe just a little bitty bit, like right over here and here. I'm really getting brave. Alright, let's see. I think I'm going to put a little bit more of this bright pink right here too. And with that yellow. There we go. Alright. Everybody wish me luck. I hope I did this right. It looks like it's a little bit too far over. Definitely not a square. So I got my Revlon blower out here, and let's see, how do I want to do this? Like this and like that. So first, put it on low, and here we go. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to put it on high. Oh boy. Ooh. Oh, I know what I did wrong. I forgot to put extra white. Whoa, Jeannie, put more white. That's what you're doing wrong. Okay. Oh boy, I might have messed it up already. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. I don't know. We'll see. Now I'm back. Oh gosh. Darn. I'm so mad at myself for not remembering to do that. Not sure how it's going to be. I'm loving it, but it's definitely not big enough for the space that I allowed for it. Alright, so let's see. Let me think for a minute. Got a lot of weight over here. I'm thinking, don't think, Jeannie. Let's do it again. Right here. Woo! Right there. Oh. I'm okay with this. I think it's pretty. I'm scraping the bottom. Not what you're supposed to do. I'm just trying to bring it up more. Because I guess I didn't put enough paint on there for what I was doing. But I'm still liking it. Still liking it. For my first one, I don't think it's too bad. And I don't want to get any more mud in there. I love that purple though. I want to put a little bit more of this deep purple right here. And I'm going to do it. Right there. And here. And a little bit. Wait. I know I should not have done this. But I cannot help it. Alright, here we go. This is where I say I can never learn to stop. So, let's try it. Pretty. Yeah, I'm a purple still. Just trying to get it to go up higher. So here I go, some more. More white. I'm going to do more purple. Right here. 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 Everywhere. I'm even going to do a little down there. Right there. Because I love that deep purple. It's just gorge. And I love the magenta. And we didn't get a lot of that color. So we are going to put more magenta in there as well. Right like here. Alright. And now a little bit more white on the outside. Just like this. And this. And this. And here. Alright. So I'm going to blow it this way. And then back again. Oops, I gotta fix this spot right here too that I hit. I don't know what we're gonna get that, or what's gonna be there, but I'm gonna put a little bit of both. And a drip of white, I guess, to see what happens on my next attempt of blowing this out. Alright, so here we go. You first, right there. Yeah. Need more purple. This time, right here. And go. Okay, good. Let's see what happens. Just keep playing with it. Maybe it'll come out alright. Alright, now keep playing. And this way. I don't know. I'm just making a mess. Right here. Let's see what we get. Ooh. Okay, I guess. Let's just try and scoop up paint again. I don't know. It's getting heavier as I go. Except for I keep hitting it with the right there again. I did it. Geez, Jeannie. A little bit more. Right there. Okay. And what color? How about that bright magenta? Right here. Alrighty. And another dribble of white. And a hint of yellow, I suppose. See what happens. Since I'm experimenting. Ooh, I like that. Okay. Amy, you do one thing and you screw it up. You know, keep adding stuff, don't you? Alright, here we go again. Good Lord, I'm going to have so much paint on here. Who knows what we're going to end up with. Right? I don't even know if you can hear me because I still got the blow dryer going. I'm super nervous because I put too much paint on here. Let's see what we get now. Oh, that's really neat. Ooh, I like that. Oh yeah. An idea is a double Dutch pour. Just don't scrape it. Oh. Actually, I am in light picture. So guess what? It's different, and I think I'm gonna leave it. Because I like that. I think it's very pretty, and it didn't get too muddy. It's actually quite pretty. I might have to dump a little of this paint off, but I wanted some negativity up there. I don't know why I'm getting cells, but I am. Not that they're not pretty. It's very pretty. I'm trying to decide, should I blow it out a little bit with my... Let's see. Let's see what we can do. Over here. Fix that maybe. Oh, maybe not. I'm not sure. I'm not used to using this very often. That's sort of cool looking. I'm not sure I want to do this. We have some, ooh, pretty pink up under there. Purple. Got to get that color out of there. I like that. It's very pretty. I'm liking this a lot, but I got a lot of paint in there. Very cool looking though. I don't know, should I do that to this side? It's sort of pretty over there. I'm afraid to mess it up, but here I go. Anyway, oh, look what you did. Yep. I like this. It's definitely got a different look to it. Definitely. Maybe get some of that off of there. That. Ooh, I'm liking it. And I'm actually liking this little bit of white down here. Just trying to bring out some more of that color in there down there. that was my first attempt. We will see how it dries. Now that I've got my cord soaking wet with white paint, I'm getting it off right now before it dries. Alright, so this is actually my Luminous Air makeup brush, which goes 25 if you put it on high, which is really cool. So I'm glad I have that. Okay guys, so let me know in your comments below what you think. I really like it. I know I had to keep redoing it because I know I didn't do it exactly right at first with not putting the white back down on there. And I'm using such a wide board, or wide canvas, you know, being a 16-inch instead of like a 12 by 12 or a 10 by 10. However, let me see if I can bring it up to you so you can take a better look at it. I think it's very pretty.